Hello, dear Taurus. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is Anjali Tarot. So, this is a general of reading for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and this is a reading from 10th of May till 21st of May. Okay. So, I'll tap into your partner's energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and their action towards you till the 21st of May. So, let's see. Your partner's energy, Taurus, right now is current energy of your partner. Taurus. Let's see. Seven of Wands. I feel like this person is acting very defensive. Okay, they are like they are very adamant, and they are feeling like whatever they are saying to you or whatever they are doing, that is the right thing to do. Okay, they are acting very defensive, maybe cold or detached from you. Okay, Taurus. Because I feel like this person wants something from you, and they are feeling like whatever they are saying is the right thing, whatever they are doing is the right thing to do. Okay, so let's clarify the Seven of Wands as your person's energy, Taurus. Why they are acting like this? Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Wands. Two of Wands, Ten of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, fine. Now I get it. So I feel like this person was waiting for something to happen from a very long time. Maybe now they are feeling like this is becoming a burden for them to handle. Okay, and that is why they are now shifting their focus on themselves only. This is what is happening. Okay, that is why they are acting defensive or might be cold and detached from you, Taurus. Okay, this is the reason. So I feel like this person waited for something to happen from a very long time. Okay, and now this waiting game is making them defensive, making them feeling like a burden to them. Okay, and now they are focusing, or they're shifting their focus on themselves, their beauty, their work, their business, their everything, self-care basically. Okay, let's see what your energy is right now, Taurus. Your current energy right now. Okay, Taurus, your current energy is Three of Pentacles. So I feel like you're also focused on your own work now. Okay, or might be there is a third party situation related here, or might be you are stuck between two people, or might be there's something else that is bothering you. Okay, so what I feel, I am getting the feeling of that you are focusing on yourself, your work, your team, your partnership. You are focusing on somebody who is working with you. Maybe you are working with a teammate, or you are working with a group of people, or whatever it is. You are focused on your work. You are also focusing on your own work, on your own growth, on your own happiness, might be. So basically, Taurus, your whole focus right now is on your own work. This is the thing. Okay, so let's clarify the Three of Pentacles, whether it is work related or some kind of third party situation is here. Let's clarify. King of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. No, there's no third party interference I can see here. All I can see is you are feeling a great urge, you are feeling emotions for something you are emotionally getting attached to your work now, because you are focused on your money and you are focused on your new projects. I feel like, Taurus, all you are loving right now is your money, your business, your own personal growth. So that is what your current energy is, Taurus. To be very honest, the King of Cups to me is telling me that you are balanced now, you are emotionally balanced now, and all you are focused right now is on your money, on your business, on your personal growth. And Ace of Pentacles is telling me there's something new coming in towards you, or you are creating an opportunity for yourself to become rich, or to become financially stable. This is very good energy. Okay, you both, I feel like both the parties right now are focused on themselves. Your partner is basically focused on themselves because they feel like this is a burden to carry. This waiting game is making them feel like a burden to them, and that is why they are shifting their focus on themselves right now. They might be, taking a step back, and you are genuinely focused on your business, your work, because all you care about right now is your own growth, personal growth, in related to your finances. Okay, related to your business. This is what's happening. So let's see your partner's feelings for you, what they feel for you, what they are feeling for you. Okay, Nine of Wands. They just want to come towards you. This is a non-committal energy, Taurus, to be very honest. I feel like this person might be very, very sexually or physically attracted to you. They want to come to you and they want to communicate with you, open and honest conversation from their side. They are feeling like, yes, they are feeling very, very strong sexual energy towards you, strong passionate energy towards you. They are missing you and they want to come towards you. This is their feelings for you, okay? This is their feelings, that they are very, very physically attracted to you. They want intimacy from you, they want cuddling thing from you. Ultimately they want to have some kind of, physical relation with you in these 10 days. So let's clarify the Knight of Wands. These, they are just feeling very, very sexually attracted towards you and very, very passionate about you. Like, you might be someone who is very, very sexually compatible with them, and that is why they are feeling like this. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Wands. Might be you guys are not like uh, together from a very long time. Might be you guys are not meeting each other from a very long time. That is why might be they're feeling like this. Okay, so the Knight of Wands is clarified by the Eight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and the Temperance. Yes, they are blindfolded by their own feelings. They are feeling like they are in some kind of jail and they want to break the jail. They want to turn the tables and they want to balance their emotions. They don't want to show their emotions. This is a kind of temptation that they are feeling towards you. They feel like you are some kind of brown chocolate or something, hot chocolate or something. I don't know what they call you or what they say to you, but they are definitely trying to, control their feelings, control their emotions of this kind of energy towards you. They are trying to control their feelings for you, okay? Because they are feeling like there's some kind of, mentally they are all over you. Mentally they are feeling a very, very strong pull towards you, physical pull towards you, okay? To be very honest, I don't see emotional pull as of now, but physically they are very, very attracted to you. And they are just trying to balance it. They are just trying to balance their emotions or control their emotions regarding this particular connection or regarding this particular feeling. Okay, what they want from you, Taurus? What they want from you? What they want from you, Taurus? Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so Taurus, I feel like this person wants a commitment from you or some kind of solid offer from you. So whether it is just a casual relationship or a committed relationship or something, they want stability in this relationship. I feel like this relationship is not stable from their side. They are feeling like there is lack of stability in this relationship, lack of security in this relationship, or lack of commitment in this relationship. So basically all they want from you is a committed relationship or commitment or stability as a whole, I can see. Okay, so let's see, let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles as what they want from you, Taurus. Yeah, Ace of Wands, brand new start, wish fulfillment, and oh my god, two aces. They want to start all over again, Taurus. To be very honest, this person wants to start all over again and they want to have a stable relationship with this stable relationship this time, or a committed relationship with it this time, if they were not doing it in the past. Okay, now they are ready to have a brand new beginning, ready to have a brand new passionate beginning, because they feel like you are their wish fulfillment. You make them very, very happy. You are someone who makes them feel like you are in some kind of another world, and they want to leave the past behind and start all over again. Three aces in this reading. There are four aces in the deck and three aces are there. So it's a brand new beginning. All they want is a brand new beginning from your side, Taurus, and all they want is to give you a solid commitment offer, or they want a solid commitment offer from your side, Taurus. Okay, this is what they want. This is what they want, to start fresh, to start. Just give me a second. I'm stuck on two stars to start. So, yeah. So, I feel like there is a want from their side that they want to have a brand new beginning with you, because they feel like you are their wish fulfillment. They want to leave the past behind and they want to start all over again. And they want to, take it step by step and finally lead to a commitment. This is what they want, Taurus. Let's see what's coming towards you, or what to expect from this person till 21st of May. Okay, till 21st of May. Let's see what is coming towards you. The moon. Yeah, I feel like this person is living in some kind of subconscious fear. Okay, they are not listening to their intuition, although they want to have a brand new beginning with you, to start all over again with you, to have a relationship with you, to have a solid commitment from you. But Taurus, this person is somewhat. I feel like this. There's a blockage in the intuition. Okay, the moon to me is telling me that there is something that is happening in their life that is making them confused or making them feel anxious or stressed or something. This is kind of blockage in intuition. All they want to do is a brand new beginning with you because they feel like they love you and they want to control their emotions for you, but they can't. Okay, there's hell lot of subconscious fears going on in their in this person's mind, Taurus. I don't see this person coming towards you and telling you all this stuff, like what they are feeling or what they want from you. But this is the behind the scenes story. Okay, so why they are confused or why they are feeling stressed over you or why they are feeling like this? Okay, hmm. So let's clarify the moon. Sorry, what kind of subconscious fear they are dealing with right now? Okay, Three of Wands, the Fool, and the Nine of Wands. I feel like this person is in some kind of subconscious fears, like because they are feeling like they are waiting on you from a very long time and they want to have a brand new beginning, but they have their walls up because they are feeling hurt, because they are feeling some kind of resentment. They are feeling like you have hurted them a lot, and that is why they are feeling it again. That you will hurt them again, and you will make a game. You will make them like a game, or you will play mind games with them or whatever it is. But this person is very fearful about something that is might be not going to happen at all, but there is a blockage in their intuition. Okay, there's something that is blocking them to come towards you, their own fears are not letting them come towards you, but they desperately want to get you, they desperately want to have you in their life because they see you as some kind of wish fulfillment or happiness in their life, some kind of little mini celebrity or something like that. So they tried to wait for you from a very long time. They want to have a brand new beginning with you, to have a brand new start with you, but they are feeling like this relationship will not go anywhere because they are fearful, because they are feeling like, no, this is not going to happen, although I want to have it, although I want to have this person badly in my life, but they are feeling some kind of resentment or hurt. They are deeply hurt, they are deeply saddened by something that you did in the past, Taurus, or something conflicting happened in this connection in the past, and that is why they are like guarded. They are very guarded, they are emotionally very guarded. They are like not showing you all this thing at all. They're just showing you that they don't want you and they're just focused on themselves, but behind the scenes I told you they are ready for a brand new beginning. But I don't feel like this person is coming towards you or telling you something because they feel like they will be hurt again and again and again, and this relationship is not going anywhere, this situation is not going anywhere, Taurus. Let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck. Meeting someone, dating, get back out there, plans at a date. So I feel like the universe wants you to, meet some new people, have some more options in your life if you are not feeling good with this particular person, okay? Or to have a brand new beginning with somebody else, or try like having some opposite sex friends in your circle. Might be there's someone else in the universe that is good for you. Fine. I feel like this person is playing some kind of mind games with you, or they're hurting you again and again, or they are doing something that is not matching your vibrations or your frequency, and that is why might be you are just focusing on your work and yourself right now. Yeah, Taurus. I mean, I feel like this will make sense to you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, and this is Anjali Tarot, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for being so lovely and so kind to me. Thank you so much. Namaste.